All right, what's up, guys? It's definitely fall. Check this out. I mean, it's fall. Got a couple things I'm doing up here today. I gotta replace the shower head for the shower because the one that is there started to crack. It's not like super sturdy. Anyway, it's made out of plastic, so it's starting to crack. So I'm going to replace it, and I gotta get up all these leaves. Like, there's a path there, but you can't really see it. I don't have much time. It's golden hour. Sun's going down. It's like 6:15. I think I got like maybe 45 minutes of sunlight left. So see how much I can get done. Okay, so that was pretty easy. You can see. I don't know if you can see or not. See the steam coming up off of this shower? Look at that sunset. Look. You can see the sunset. That's why I wanted to do these opaque walls. Anyways, I got this nice silver shower head that actually is adjustable up here, so you don't have to take it off. I got the water turned up, I don't know, like a quarter of the way. It can do much more pressure, but anyways, you can see this old one here. You see where it's cracked right there? And right there, like, I think somebody tried to tighten it on too tight while they were here for some reason. But anyways, this one was broke. This one is now not broke, and it's getting nice and hot and steamy in here, which I like because it's like 50 degrees outside, and this is pretty cool. Or warm, whatever. Look at that. Look. If you come and stay here, you can see that at night. Well, in the evening, as you cook your steaks on the grill or on the flat top over there. But yeah, it's great. This Camp Lux outdoor shower works fantastic. I got it on low. You can see the flame right there, and you can see I got the water about a third of the way up. It goes up more, and then the shower head you can actually change on how it sprays out. But anyways, super easy to use. Like I say, you just flick that on, really. Turn the water line on so it's going straight back and forth, and then you just turn this to minimum, make sure your gas valve is on, flip that switch, that lights, and you're good to go. So nice hot outdoor shower. Okay, so we got that done. I'm gonna turn this gas off. It's rut season, right? I'm not really a deer hunter, but it's rut season. I got the blaze orange hat. You see Sweetgrass vodka. That's actually my brother's vodka company. And one of his business partners, co-owners, is Jeremy Renner. I don't know if everybody knows who Jeremy Renner is, but he is pretty famous, kind of. Anywho, I'm going to get all these leaves up and change the combination on the lock because I have somebody coming out here to stay tomorrow. I'll give you an update in a minute. Yeah, so a lot of leaves are falling, but you know, it is fall, so I'm just gonna have to let the guests know that, you know, they may get here and there may be a lot of leaves. But I'm here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it all up. Make sure that you can see the gravel. It's a lot of leaves. All right, so I got done. It's 7:28. I got up here at like 6:15. So, you know, in addition to my housekeeper cleaning the campsite for like an hour or so, just making sure everything's ready, there was still more stuff to do. I blow off all the leaves and make sure that the battery packs were charging, which for some reason they're not charging very fast. I know, because it's in the shade. Yeah, I don't really have a spot I do down on the very end of the property. I can mount them on some trees where there's no trees on the other side, and they don't have to run a really, really long cable. So I don't know. We'll see what I can figure out with that. But everything's set and ready to go for the host. I mean, for the guest. I'm the host. But there's a lot that goes on in the glamping and off-grid glamping. I don't have a handyman person, but you know, if I paid them $70 to come out here and do what I just did for an hour, and pay my cleaner $70 to do what she does already, that's $140 right there. Well, my payout for 2 days is only like $300. So $140 gone. I get to keep $160 for two night stay, which I guess is okay, but I would rather, you know, make a little bit more than that, just a little. But yeah, all done. Let's see if you can see. I've got the headlights on. There's the little gnome, and the solar lights came on. It was nice. And then I'm taking one of the battery packs home. I'm gonna charge it at home. And then I'll just come back out here on Sunday after my guests leave, and just bring some more propane, because the space heaters, the last 2 guests used up all of the propane in the space heaters. They're the little 1 pound ones. And I had 4. I had my housekeeper buy 4. But the 2 in the 2 space heaters were empty, gone. And the 2 that were, well, 1 was on the flat top stove and 1 was on the Camp Chef oven stove. Both of those were empty too. So all 4 of those propane tanks that I had my cleaner buy this past weekend, I just installed, and now I have no more extra propane. So I'm just gonna get some more propane and bring it out here myself on Sunday when I bring back this battery pack, and then just check on the other battery pack, make sure it's charging okay. I don't know, maybe a squirrel ate through the wires, because you know that happens. But yeah, it's an adventure doing this stuff, right? I got to see a beautiful sunset, absolutely gorgeous sunset over the Tuckertown Reservoir, and with the Uray Mountains in the background. It's totally awesome. It was like perfect. And my guests will see that perfect sunset tomorrow. And then they'll see a perfect sunrise, and then another perfect sunset, and then another perfect sunrise. So I hope they enjoy it, because I know I do every time I see it. But thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe, click the notification bell. I don't post videos as often as I used to, because I'm not really building on the glampsite every weekend, but I try to post videos when I can, whether or not it's about the glampsite or about the surrounding area. Hit the notification bell so you get updates, and I'm always putting little shorts and stuff on, so keep watching. Thanks. Bye.